Hello guys, I'm on my way to Lympstone now, going to a train, and we're going to shoot some cinematic content. We're going to fly the new DJI Mavic Mini 3 Pro, which I made another video on. Check it out here, it's on the top right. Yeah, we're going to fly that at sunset, get some really cinematic clips and photos, and I thought I'd just put together a short video. It's probably only going to be about 3 or 4 minutes of those cinematic clips for you to enjoy, because I think I'm going to be proud of these if the sunset holds up to what I'm hoping for it to be. It's a bit overcast right now, a few more clouds than I would have hoped for. But yeah, let's get that train and head to Lympstone and get shooting the cinematic shots. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this one. I know it's been a short one, but hopefully you enjoyed seeing some of the drone cinematics I shot this evening. And right now the photos, I'm pretty proud of them, despite the lack of footage. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. If you did, remember to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and if you do, tap the bell icon to turn on notifications so you never miss a video when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.